Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to go over a method which is absolutely free to get started with. Anybody can do this, you don't need any skills, you definitely don't need any experience, and the potential with this is pretty big, and you'll start to understand how big this is as we go through the video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a simple method, as I've mentioned, and I'll share with you tools and resources, and realistically if you've got 30 minutes a day you can earn money with this method. In the beginning it will take us probably about 40 minutes to get this up and running, but once it's up and running it will purely come down to how much time you can spend on this, because this is an evergreen method. And what that means is once we create the work or create the content, we can literally earn money passively from work we've done previously. And on the screen now you're seeing lots of different articles going by for different ways to make money online and from home. I've been sharing these over on my blog here for coming up to 5 years now. There's so many different ways you can do this. We've got a members area, we've got courses, we have an interview series and lots more. So let me jump into today's video and I'll share this method with you. So first of all we're going to need a piece of software which is free. So we're going to come over here. Now this is the software and it's called GetResponse. Now they have a free version of this and I'll drop a link to that below for you, because when you come over here and you go to pricing, they don't show you it in the beginning. So if I click on pricing and we come over here, scroll down, you can see they've got a basic, a plus, a promotional and a max. But all of these say start for free. It's a 30-day free trial, but we want the free forever plan. So come over here and this is the page we want. So on this free account here, you can see you get a suite of free marketing software, and included in this suite we can build a website, we can generate leads, and we can send unlimited newsletters for free. Now if all of that sounds like gobbledygook, don't worry, because we'll come back to this and I'll literally walk you through this whole process step by step. So if we come down here, it says we can get a suite of basically free tools, i.e. a website builder or something really simple like, where's it gone? Come further on the page here. Basically, look, a landing page. And we can collect names and emails and lots more. But this is the one we want. And included in this free forever trial, you can try premium features at no cost, but you don't have to do that. So I'll drop a link to this below for you and you can get started with this here, and it's free forever. Okay, now once we've got this is what it looks like on the inside. So let me close out with that. Let's go over here. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the software. Okay, now for this we're going to come up here where it says create. Now on here we can create a newsletter, a landing page, a form or a funnel. Now I'm just going to click on create a landing page, and you can see here, look, attract new contacts and promote your business. Don't worry, we're not promoting our own business, but we're going to walk through this simple process. Now on the left hand side we've got all of these templates. We can build one from scratch or we can use any of these pre-made templates. So for the sake of making it easy on ourselves, we'll just find one which is simple and easy to go with. So scroll through until you like the look of one that you like. Now on the free account you may not have as many as what I've got inside of here, because obviously I've got a paid one, but I'm just going to go with this one here. See this free report select template. So I'm going to click on here and this is what it looks like. So this is a name and in fact I'm not going to go with that one. We'll go up here, let's just find something else. Let's have a look at this one. I don't know why I'm overcomplicating this process. This one here will do, because basically we've got a landing page and a thank you page. We don't need to worry too much about this because, as I've mentioned, these are templates, so we can edit any part of this that we like. So let's just go with, let me just click on this one. Yeah, this one will do. So I'm just going to type in here YT example. Okay, YT example. Oh, blimey, sorry. Again, example 2. Okay. And we're going to click on next step. Now it takes a second and it's going to start creating this template for us, and you can edit any part of this. Webinars, and no, I don't want a webinar, thank you. Come further on the page here. So you see this here, as I've mentioned, this is a template. So if you don't like any part of this, we can get rid of this, okay? Or on the right hand side here, we can add in other bits, okay? So I don't want this at this moment in time, so I'm just going to click on delete. Now, we've got a blank page here, so if I don't want this up here, I can get rid of this as well. Now I'm just going to click on button. I'm going to drag this over here. Okay, I'm going to get another button and drag this over here too. So we have got 2 buttons. And look, if you want to grow an email list at a later date, you absolutely can do. Now at this moment in time, this is how it looks. So now we've got, you can see how this, this works. It's drag and drop simple. The next step is we're going to need something whereby we can recommend and share that and earn an affiliate commission. And it's simple again. So over on this website here, it's called Clickbank. It's 100% free to sign up with. Create an account, we come over to the marketplace. Now in here, we can see on the left hand side, we've got all of these different categories. And if we click on the drop down box here, we've got what are known as sub niches or subcategories. So you can go into any one of these that you like the look of. So let's just click on spiritual health as an example. Now scroll down here and we can see this product over here. We can earn this amount of money. You can go into any of these, and if you like the look of, if you want to check out, any of these and see, what they're about, you simply click on here, and it will show you the sales page, like so. It takes you over to the sales page. You can have a look at this. This is basically where you would be sending traffic to, okay? And if you like the look of this, let me just come out there. If you like the look of it, you click on promote here, and then it takes a second, and you can see. In this example, you'd earn 60% commissions and you click on generate hop link. And it's the same in any of these. It doesn't matter what category or niche you're going to, you can simply just find any products in here. So for this one, let's click on health and fitness and let's go into, one of the more popular ones, which is weight loss. And then we're going to scroll down, and if we go up to the top here, you can also filter this via rank. You can filter it via the conversions. The gravity, which means how many have sold on the platform, i.e. popularity. You can go into recurring bills and lots more. So once you've done that, you can go through and have a look at it. So like this one here, this is currently gravity. This is come down here. Where is it? Gravity 299. So this product here is selling a lot in the marketplace. Okay. So if I wanted to promote that, I click on generate link, and I've got this link over here. So now I've got that link here, and this is for this Oakenware Flat Belly Tonic. Now we'll go back over to the software here, and I'm going to click on there. The next step inside of here is, you see up here where it says link. So it says web address. So we're going to leave that on web address, and you paste your URL, i.e. the link that we've just got from Clickbank, and we give it a title. So in here, we'll go back over to Clickbank here. This is the product that we're going to be promoting. So let's click on there and go look at the sales page for this. Ancient Japanese So we could literally take, is there any more information on here? There's no more information on here. Now, normally what they do have on these here is you can have some text below the video as well. So let me just pause this. Let me just pause that. Let me scroll down. So there's no more information coming up at this moment in time. So what I could do is I could just copy this. Ancient Japanese discovery melts. So I could copy this and go back over here to get response to our page, and we'll give it a title. And we'll click on paste, and we click on OK. Okay, and now, why has that not done that? Click on there. Let me try that again. Where's our text gone? Web address, title. Let me just copy that. Come down here. There it's gone. So I'm just going to paste that into there, like so. And I can make this bigger or smaller if I want, just by dragging this like so. Like this. And you can change the style of the font. You can change the style of the text like so. So if you wanted to make it bigger, I can do so here. I can change, the font of this if I wanted it to, go into that font there. I can do whatever I want with it, basically. I mean, that looks pretty horrific, doesn't it? So let's just change that really quickly. And let's just go with Arial for now. And if I want to change the colour of this, I could come over here and drag it around like so. And you can see it's changing over here. If you're happy with that, like so, you can leave it, or you can spend time playing around with this until you're happy with this. And obviously, from the templates that we look at, we'd find something, which is related to the products that we're promoting, the colours and things like that. So if I come back over here, I'm going to go to the affiliate page and see if there's any information over on the affiliate page. So look, what is who buys this, the reasons why you should promote it, etc. Okay, so we can click on top converting email swipes, hop links, and lots more. So you can come through here, and again you can get little bits of text on here that you can take here. And sorry, let me get rid of this tab. You can take bits of text and you can put them in here. So again, if I didn't like that up there, we could just literally type in simple. Sorry, why is it? Let me get rid of this over here. Let me click on delete. So if I wanted to, just put in some text of my own, what I can do is if I come over here, we can add in any bits from down here. So you see, drag and drop text box. So if I wanted that, I could literally drag that over here, and then any text goes in there. So it's very simple to use. It's drag and drop. And again, if I want to change this, I could just type something like, check out the buttons below. Something like that. And again, you'd spend a little bit of time on this because, as I mentioned, this part here is whereby we're making sure it looks good and it's congruent with the products that we're promoting over here. But once you're happy with this and you've got your buttons in here for your different affiliate links, and you've gone through the sales page over here or the affiliate page and have a look at some of the information in here, you can also look at email swipes and lots more. You can come in here and find different things that you put inside of here. But once that you've done this process here and you're happy with this, you click on save, or you can save it as a template, but you'd click on next step and then continue. Let me just get rid of this here. We don't want that. We don't want any of this. Get rid of all of this stuff here. So as I've mentioned, any part of this that you don't want, you just go ahead and you get rid of, like so. And then once we've done all of this, I just want to get to the end so I can show you how this works. I'm just going to click on next step, continue with our mobile version. Let me just click on this. Let me get rid of this here and this over here because I don't want that neither. So I'm going to get rid of this and I'm going to click on next step. And don't worry about having a separate page or anything. We don't need to worry about this. But here we have a landing page settings. So you can give it, look, all of this stuff here is if you're trying to rank this page on Google, but we're not. But I'm going to come down here, and you see here, look, landing page URL. This is basically the name of the domain. But I'm just going to click on publish really quickly so you can see this. And you see here, look, you can see the landing page. So this here is the landing page. So if I open this up now, this is what it looks like. And obviously, this is everything we've just created on the back end. But as I've mentioned, you'd spend a bit of time making this, look good, including, information from the sales page. But if I click on here now, it opens up and it's sending me over to, look, this product over here on Clickbank. So if I come back over here, and you can have as many different buttons down here as you like, but essentially that up there is my link. So now I've got a product over on where did we get it from? We got it from Clickbank. We've created a landing page like this, and this looks terrible by the way, but I'm trying to do it quickly for you. We've created a landing page like this. The next thing is we'd need to go ahead and find people asking questions related to the product that we're promoting. So for this, where do we go? Well, we use a website called this one over here, and it's called Quora. Again, this is free. So we come over here and we can search for questions which people are asking related to the product which we are an affiliate for. So if I was just to copy, let's just copy this for example, flat belly tonic. Let's see if people are actively asking questions about this over on Quora. So I'm going to click on paste and enter. And look, we have got people on here. What are your opinions about this? And you can go through and you can answer these questions. You could be as broad or as specific with this method as you like. If you didn't want to go for this specifically, you could go on, ways to lose weight. Because over here, scroll down here, look, this tonic is a beast. It's always crushed it for me. The team So you could actually use this here and include this in answers over on Quora, whether you wanted to go down this route here, or if you wanted to type something in like how to lose. I don't know, let's go with how to get a flat belly. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on there, click on enter, and it's going to look, how do I get a flat da-da-da-da. So all these people want to know, how do I get a flat belly, how long will it take, etc. So we can go and answer any of these. So look, how do I get a flat belly without much outdoor exercise? We click on there, and it opens up a new tab. We then click on answer, and we put our answer in here. So scroll down here, you can find information on here. But basically, I'm doing this really quickly just to give you an example. So we'd come back over onto Quora, we'd paste our answer in here, making sure it all makes sense. But here is the point. We can click on here. I found some great resources over on this page here. Okay, now let me just do this over on this page here. Now what I want to do is I want to send the traffic from Quora, obviously. I want to send them over to our landing page here. So all I do here is I copy that, go over to Quora, and I paste this. I'll highlight this, sorry, and I click on there, and I paste that into here. And then I click on add. And now look, that there, anyone clicks on there, they have a link which they click on there, they go over to this page over here which we've created for free inside of here, and they'd click any links and it sends them over to an affiliate product. Straightforward and simple. And if we're using the Get Response page builder, it's absolutely free. Using Quora, it's a free website. It doesn't take a lot of time to go and find questions, because the cool thing is, if I was to click on post now, this here would go live. So I would answer that question there, and then guess what I'd do? I'd answer a related question, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Now, I'll also share with you another resource, and this one, you can try this for free. And it's this one over here, and it's called Jarvis. You can see here, your friend gave you 10,000 words to try Jarvis for free. So you can go ahead and try this for free, and at the end of this, if you don't want to continue using it, you don't have to. But this speeds up the entire process, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So if I come into the templates here, and we're just going to drag my face over there, we're going to come into the templates. Now I'm going to scroll down here really quickly, and I'm going to find Quora answers. So in here, the question, I'm going to paste that question into here like so. And we can see, how do I get flat belly, information to include in the answer. So information, you can have anything, what you want the software to write for you. So in this example, we could come up here and we could put in this here, like so. Come back over to the software and paste that into here, and then tone of voice, we'll leave it as excited. Then I click on generate AI content, and literally it'll do it for you in a second. It's going to spin this down here for a second. Once this is done, our answer, look, and we've got another one here. So basically, now what I can do is I click on here and look at this answer, copy all of that, copy that, go back over to Quora, and I paste that answer into Quora. So now, paste that into there. That is my answer done. I'd put in my link, sending them over to my little landing page over here. Anyone clicks here, they go over and they buy the product. Now the awesome thing about Quora is, the answer that you provide today can bring you in traffic for many months and years down the line, because it's a huge website. You can get traffic from not only on Quora, but some of these questions here actually show up on Google. So you can even get traffic coming from Google into Quora, reading the answers, they read your answer, they click your link, they go over to your landing page over here, they click on any of the links on here, sends them over to the affiliate product. If they buy, you earn an affiliate commission. It's simple, it's easy, and it's free. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, I'll drop a link below to this correct page over on Get Response here for you, so you can go ahead and get the free trial. I'll also drop a link below to this 10,000 free words, so you can try out the AI software, and yeah, let me know what you think of it. So have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.